stepping into a car that feels like an oven under the sun is the worst. This simple gadget keeps it cool and comfortable even in extreme heat. Stop scrolling right now if you care about your car, because this upgrade changes everything. Let's dive in. Number 1. Ever been stuck with a flat tire and no easy way to lift your car? The AV steel floor jack delivers serious power with a 2.5-ton lifting capacity built for real-world emergencies. Its low-profile design slides easily under most cars, even the lowered ones. The heavy-duty steel construction gives you confidence every time you use it. With a smooth single-piston pump, lifting feels quick and controlled, whether you're stuck on the roadside or working in your garage. Number 2. Stop guessing what's wrong with your car and start knowing instantly. The Foxwell NT201 plugs directly into your vehicle and instantly reads engine fault codes. It helps you reset that annoying check engine light without wasting money. Live data monitoring gives you real-time performance insights like a pro. It works with almost all cars since 1996, making it incredibly versatile. The interface is simple, so you don't need to be an expert to use it. Number 3. Turn your SUV into a mobile campsite in just minutes. The Joy-Tutus Tailgate Tent attaches directly to your SUV to create a spacious outdoor shelter. It offers protection from rain and sun with its water-resistant material. The 3-side awning expands your living space for a more comfortable experience. Setup is surprisingly easy, even for beginners. It fits most SUVs, making it a universal adventure upgrade. This turns any road trip into an unforgettable camping escape. Number 4. Your car deserves to stand out. This makes it impossible to ignore. These Nightlight Underglow Lights transform your vehicle with vibrant RGB colors. With 252 LEDs, the brightness and effects are impossible to ignore. The sound-activated mode syncs lights with your music for a stunning vibe. Control everything wirelessly with the included remote. Installation is simple, making it a quick visual upgrade. It's not just lighting, it's a full-on attention magnet. Number 5. Every second on the road matters. Now you can capture all of it. This dual dash cam captures both front and rear views in stunning 4K resolution. The wide-angle lenses ensure nothing important is missed. Built-in GPS tracks your routes and speed for added evidence. With 24-hour parking mode, your car stays protected even when you're away. The included storage card means you're ready to go right out of the box. It's like having a silent witness for every drive. Number 6. Keep an eye on your vehicle no matter where it is in the world. The Landair C54 GPS tracker offers real-time location updates with incredible accuracy. Its compact magnetic design lets you hide it almost anywhere on your vehicle. Built to be waterproof, it handles all weather conditions with ease. The battery lasts long, so you don't have to worry about constant charging. It's perfect for security, fleet tracking, or even personal peace of mind. This small device delivers big control. Number 7. Your car interior just got a serious upgrade in style. These Nightlight interior lights bring dynamic RGB colors right inside your vehicle. The dream color-chasing effects create a premium, modern look. Music sync mode turns every drive into a mini light show. You can control everything through an app or remote. Installation is quick with flexible strips that fit almost any interior. It transforms boring cabins into a vibrant experience, perfect for night drives and a personalized vibe. Number 8. Say goodbye to your phone slipping mid-drive forever. The Andurry MagSafe holder uses incredibly strong suction and magnetic force to keep your device locked in place. It supports even the largest iPhones with zero shake. The 360-degree rotation lets you adjust your viewing angle effortlessly. Installation is quick, and it sticks firmly to your dashboard or windshield. Perfect for navigation, calls, and hands-free use. This is stability and convenience combined. Number 9. Oil changes don't have to be messy anymore. The Chapin oil drain pan is designed with a large, splash-free target area. Its low-profile shape fits easily under vehicles. The durable construction ensures it can handle repeated use without leaks. Built-in handles make it easy to carry and dispose of fluids. It's perfect for DIY maintenance at home. This turns a dirty job into a clean and simple task. A practical solution for every car owner. Number 10. Take your adventures to the next level. Literally. The Voyager Pro Rooftop Tent pops up quickly to create a secure sleeping space. Its hard-shell design offers durability and protection in all seasons. The Skyview window lets you enjoy breathtaking night views. Built-in LED lights and USB outlets add modern convenience. It fits trucks, SUVs, and vans easily. This is next-level travel freedom, perfect for explorers who want comfort anywhere. Number 11. Hot car interiors can ruin your entire day. This fixes that instantly. The KYZT Sunshade is custom-fit to block sunlight effectively. It protects your interior from fading and heat damage. The foldable design makes storage quick and easy. It reduces cabin temperature significantly in hot weather, perfect for daily use in sunny climates. This small upgrade makes a huge difference. Keep your car cool and comfortable every time you park. Number 12. Running out of space is no longer a problem. The Arcson Roof Rack Basket adds massive storage capacity to your vehicle. Its heavy-duty steel frame ensures durability on long trips. It fits most crossbars and installs without hassle. Perfect for luggage, camping gear, or extra cargo. The extension feature gives even more room when needed. It's built for serious road adventures. Ideal for families and long-distance travelers. Number 13. Towing just became safer and far more manageable. These Sanur towing mirrors expand your visibility dramatically. Built-in heating prevents fog and improves clarity in all weather. Turn signals and lights enhance safety on the road. The flip-up design adds flexibility for different driving situations. Installation is straightforward for compatible trucks. This upgrade gives you confidence while towing. A must-have for heavy-duty driving tasks. Number 14. Rain or dust won't stop you from carrying what matters. The Sailnovo Cargo Bag offers massive waterproof storage capacity. Made from heavy-duty PVC, it protects your gear from harsh conditions. It fits all truck sizes and secures tightly with cords. Perfect for travel, moving, or outdoor adventures. The large space means you can pack without limits. It's like adding a weatherproof trunk to your truck. Reliable storage for any journey. Number 15. Transporting heavy bikes has never been this easy. The Kravitz Cyberrack supports up to 200 pounds, making it perfect for 2 e-bikes. The built-in ramp allows easy loading without lifting strain. Foldable design makes storage simple when not in use. It fits most hitch receivers securely. Designed for stability even on long drives. This turns your vehicle into the ultimate biking companion. Perfect for cyclists who love to explore. All the gadget links are in the description. Subscribe for more smart upgrades and stay tuned.